How to get a Lloyds Bank business account. The first thing you do is, of course, open up or pull up any web browser that you want to use. But in this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now, if you head directly to lloydsbank.com, you won't easily find an opening account for business. So instead, what you will be doing is just create a new tab and just simply type in Lloyds Bank. Now you will be given out multiple results, but all you have to do and choose from here is this tab right here that says business. So if you click on that, you will be redirected to this page. So what you want to do next is just simply click on open account because we'll have to check our eligibility criteria for us to be able to apply. Then here, you will be given out a free accounting software to help you stay on top of your finances. No account fee for 12 months if it's your first business account with them. Instant decision on up to that specific amount credit as start up to or up to 25,000 as a switcher. Now what you want to do is just go directly to open an account and Lloyds Bank will be providing you the specific requirements that you need. Okay, from here you just have to follow along the process if it's going to be a limited company, a sole trader, a partnership, or something else. Just follow along these steps and you are good to go on getting a Lloyds Bank business account.